Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play NBA 2K PS5. Begin by selecting Play Now or My Career and set difficulty to a comfortable level. Next, configure controls and stick sensitivity so passes and shots feel natural. Spend a few minutes on shooting drills in practice mode to learn timing. Finally, save your controller profile and try a full game to test adjustments and build confidence. In this video, I will show how to play NBA 2K PS5. Attack the basket by reading defender position and choosing between layup, dunk, or pull-up jumper. Use the right stick for advanced shot aiming and perform stepbacks to create space. Run pick and roll actions to free your ball handler or roll man to the rim. Rotate the ball quickly for open looks and conserve stamina for key possessions later in the game. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleaning effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on NBA 2K PS5 without dust or crumbs ruining your controller. It even returns to base and empties itself for less fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play NBA 2K PS5. Stay disciplined on defense by using L2 to contain dribble penetration and force contested shots. Anticipate passes and time your jumps for steals without fouling. Communicate with teammates to call screens and switches, and always box out after a shot to claim rebounds. Push in transition for easy points when you secure defensive stops and lead the fast break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.